You are under hypnosis. Hello, this is One Shot to the Future. Jim Rohn said, "You are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with." You've heard this a million times, but you ignore it. You still hang out with losers thinking, "I am strong. I won't be influenced." Wrong. You are biologically programmed to be influenced. In your brain, there are cells called mirror neurons. When you see someone do something, your brain fires the exact same neurons as if you were doing it. Basically, your brain is constantly downloading the software of the people around you. Secondhand smoking for the brain. If your friends eat junk food, your brain rehearses eating junk food. If your friends complain about the economy, your brain rehearses being a victim. You are not just hanging out. You are catching a virus. Being around negative people is like secondhand smoking. You don't smoke, but your lungs still turn black because you breathe their toxic air. If you hang out with 5 broke people, you will be the 6th. If you hang out with 5 idiots, you will be the 6th. It is not peer pressure. It is biology. Upgrade your environment. But I don't know any rich people. Stop making excuses. We live in the 21st century. You don't need to meet them in person to activate your mirror neurons. Digital mentors are real. If you listen to Elon Musk, read Naval Ravikant, and watch this channel for 3 hours a day, your mirror neurons will start copying their thought patterns. Curate your feed. Unfollow the clowns. Subscribe to the winners. Your YouTube history is a better predictor of your future than your school grades. Ruthless quarantine. If you truly want to change, you must quarantine yourself from toxic people. It sounds harsh, but you cannot heal in the same environment where you got sick. Don't try to change your friends. Change your friends. Leave the trash can if you don't want to smell like garbage. Look at your phone's recent calls list. That list is your destiny. Do you like it? In the next video, we will discuss the invisible force field of your reality. The law of vibration. Thank you. This was One Shot to the Future.